This is why accidents happen. What is up everyone, welcome back to another vlog. This is Juan talking from Subaru Missing Gears. In today's episode we're going to talk about bad habits and why drivers probably hate you for it. Please comment below and like and subscribe, share if you wish. This is very helpful for the channel and I would appreciate your support, and of course if there's any concerns or things like that, let me know and I'll completely address them on the comment section. So the items are as follows. 1. Tailgating. Don't tailgate cars. You're driving, you don't know what the other car capabilities are. What if the other car has better brakes or better acceleration? Or what if the other driver is just more experienced than you? You should not be tailgating anyone because that will hurt you and your pocket ultimately, because insurance money will not come in for free. Pay yourself some attention and don't do it. Number 2, high beams. Have you ever been on a late night drive and you're driving very comfortably and suddenly somebody behind you has high beams and are so annoying on your rear view mirrors? Well, I have. So pay attention to that, people who are doing it. In the dashboard there's 2 lights. The light that shows you that you have your headlights on, and there's a brighter blue light usually that shows you have your high beams on. So don't do that. Make sure when you start driving you're always on top of this where it shows that you only have your regular lights, because it's definitely annoying for the people that are in front of you. Number 3, cutting people off. You do not want to cut people off because that will cause accidents. So many people have gotten into accidents because people in front of them cut them off, and guess what? Whoever cut you off may not even be at fault unless you have a dash cam. So pro tip, get a dash cam because you might need it. Number 4, no signaling. If you're gonna make a change, a lane change, or you're gonna do something like that, be sure to signal your surrounding drivers. You do not want to just merge into a lane and just crash onto somebody because you did not signal. Therefore, please pay attention to these items. Also, just because you put your signal doesn't mean you have the right to merge right away. You need to be aware of your surroundings, pay attention, take a quick turn and see how far the car is behind you. Don't just cut them off because again, they might not have the best brakes ever, they're going to crash you. So be on the lookout for that. Number 5, I left this item till the end of the list because this is definitely one of the ones that I hate the most. Have you ever been on a drive where you're going the speed limit or maybe a little more? I don't want to say you're speeding, right? But then there's a car in front of you that is going way below the speed limit, and there's 5 cars behind that car that are blocking traffic when there's almost an empty lane on the right. Why? Have you ever noticed why? Have you ever paid attention why the right lane is empty? The right lane is to drive, the left lane is to pass. So if you're going to be going less speed than everyone else around you, make sure you're on the right lane, because the left lane is to pass and go fast. So with those tips, please pay attention to those details. Drivers, bad habits can impact on your insurance and can impact on somebody else's lives. These are the main categories that I wanted to bring up. This is a video just for the fun of sharing the information that I think will be very helpful for those drivers that are just starting and for those that might not realize that these are problems. So if you do any of the ones I just mentioned, be sure to change it or be sure to pay attention at least to your surroundings so you can at least be courteous to the drivers. And another note, shout out to Troy, thank you for the support. Stay tuned, we're gonna have more content and more fun things to do about cars, so thank you. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. If you don't like it, dislike the video, it's okay too. If there are any questions or you think that I missed something on this 5 main bad habits that I've noticed, at least in New York City, make sure to comment, make sure you leave a like underneath it. I will be sure to address it on the comments and maybe we make a video as a response. So stay tuned, there's a lot more things to come. I got a bunch of more things to do with the car and I got a bunch of other places to attend, so thank you. See you in the next one.